am Kevin with Andrew Womack Miss.
And if anybody wants to get their feet wet in video production, or even making connections, business connections, or even career connections to help develop your career, this is the place to do it.
Hi, my name is Mallow. I'm the event electrician at AVXPO. I have my own business, Mallow Makes Sparks. What I'm getting out of this event today is I've done lots of really great networking, met some really wonderful people in my industry, and especially in the second row there with ProTech Marketing, because they have an entire... They basically are working with all these companies. They're all friends. They all have that road together. And I just talked to a bunch of them, especially the guys at Chauvet. And I think it's really great that they all work together, get each other opportunities, and kind of see each other as resource pools. And so that's really cool. And I think going from here, I feel really excited to be implementing the things I've learned here into my own business and making contacts in the AV industry. So, yeah.
Just gain as much knowledge as I can before I go into college and hopefully a career here. So,
and I've already learned a lot, even with the stuff I work with every day. And I recommend anyone come and check it out if you're interested in technology.
Someday you'll rise.